Hello and welcome back. So today we're just going to be making something very crunchy and delicious. But without much further ado, karibuni and let's begin making our crunchy delicious meal for today. Karibuni. We begin by first dividing our chicken wings into two parts, the wings and the drummettes. So for me, my favorite part is the drummettes. So let me know in the comment section below what your favorite part is. Once that is done, transfer your chicken wings and the drummettes into a bowl. Then we'll begin with the marination process. As usual, we begin by first drizzling some oil onto our chicken wings. Then next we add in our spices. The spices are in the description box below. Then add in some orange juice. I use Minute Maid over here, the pulpy orange. Then add in your buttermilk. Buttermilk is like Maziwa in Kenya. Next, give your chicken wings a nice rub to coat the chicken wings with all the marination ingredients. Then cover the bowl with a cling film and transfer your bowl to the fridge to marinate overnight or for at least 30 to 1 hour if you have very minimal time. Once marinated, remove it from the fridge and uncover the bowl. Then in a separate bowl, just add in some all-purpose flour. Then into it, add in your spices, the same spices we used for the marination. Then add in some salt into both your chicken wings and the flour. Give your all-purpose flour a good mixture to mix with the seasoning, and as you do that, remember to be heating up your pan with some oil. Then next, remove one of your chicken wings from the marination bowl. Then dip it into your all-purpose flour and coat it very well. Ensure it's well coated with the flour. Dust off the excess flour and transfer your chicken wings into your cooking pan. Repeat the process again for coating the chicken wings with the all-purpose flour one by one while transferring them to the cooking pan to fry. Fry each side until it's well fried and golden brown and crispy. Crispy is the word. Yeah, until it's well crispy. Then turn over to the other side to fry until it's ready. Once ready, remove from the bowl and serve. As a serving suggestion, you can use a sauce. You can use whichever sauce you prefer. So over here I made a small sauce using ketchup, mayo and some mustard. Remember not to use a lot of mustard since mustard is a bit tangy. So make sure you use very little mustard and you have your sauce. Serve and enjoy. Exactly the crunch that we need. We actually done preparing them and they're so sweet and delicious, and the crunch, oh my, oh, just the crunch that we need from them. So thank you so much for staying tuned, and this was definitely a hit. And remember to subscribe and also share with your family and friends, and let's grow to become one huge community and family. Thank you so much. So till next time, I'm just going to be here munching on my chicken wings and enjoying the crunch. Till next time, goodbye, kwaheri.